We are going to discuss about the solution, natural treatment for these following problems: thyroid, PCOD, hormonal imbalance, endometriosis, fibroadenoma. Okay, this is how it follows. First we will discuss about list of cold pressed oils. Next, list of concoctions. Third one, diet plan with millets. Fourth one, the essential part is exercise. For last part, what to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay. First, in the morning, on empty stomach, okay, you have to drink cold pressed oils. Cold pressed oils only you have to drink. If you don't get cold pressed oils, it's not better to consume any other oil. Okay, not any refined oil. You have to take only cold pressed oil. Okay. Week 1, drink 1 teaspoonful of coconut oil. Next week, drink 1 teaspoonful of groundnut oil. Week 3, drink 1 teaspoonful of sesame seed oil. Okay. Repeat this cycle after every 3 weeks. And the important note is you have to maintain at least 30-minute gap between oils and concoction. Okay. Once you consume oil, you have to take a 30 minutes gap. Okay. Coming to the concoctions, first week drumstick leaves. Okay. Second, beetle leaves. Okay. Beetle leaves without this part. Okay. Without any stem part, only leaf. Indian beech. Third week Indian beech. Fourth week heart shaped moon seed leaves. Fifth week rosella leaves. Okay. At the end of the presentation, you will see this rosella concoction. Okay. Using rosella leaves. Okay, that will be shown how to make concoction with rosella leaves. Okay. Coming to the other leaves, you have to take at least 3 to 4. Drumstick leaf you have to take 20 to 25 because the leaf size is very small. Betel leaves 2 to 3 are enough. Okay, to make concoction. Indian beech 4 leaves. This is also 4 to 5 leaves. Rosella 6 to 7 depending upon the size, or 5 to 6. Okay. Indian mallow 4 leaves are sufficient of this nature. Okay. So this is the list of the concoction. First week you have to take drumstick leaves. Second week betel leaves. Third week Indian beech leaves, also called as pone game oil tree leaves. Okay. Fourth week heart shaped moonseed leaves. Fifth week rosella leaves. Sixth week Indian mallow leaves. Okay. You have to maintain 45 minutes to 1 hour gap between your concoction and the next meal. Okay. Early in the morning, you will drink one teaspoonful of cold pressed oil. Thereafter, take 30 minutes gap, and then have your concoction or kashaya, and have 1 hour gap. Okay, or 45 minutes gap. Okay, and have your next meal. If you do not find any one or two of the above leaves, you can still continue with the remaining leaves. Okay, and this process will repeat for till you get recovered from the disease. Okay. After sixth week, you have to go to again first week, like that. Diet, you have to take little millets for 3 days, kodo millet for 1 day, barnyard millet for 1 day, foxtail for 1 day, brown top millet for 1 day. Okay, so total how many days? 7 days. 5 millets, 7 days. Eat these millets alternatively for this 7 day schedule, and repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. Meanwhile, you shouldn't consume rice, bread, wheat product, maida product, or refined wheat product till your complete recovery. And use only cold pressed oils. Okay, to make curries or to make anything. How to cook millets? There are two ways essentially. First is cooking it like rice. Second one, making millet porridge. Okay. How to cook it like rice? Add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it either on a open top vessel or in a pressure cooker. But avoid pressure cooking if you have enough time to cook. Making millet porridge. Use either granulated millets or whole millets, your wish. You add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooled down, okay. Once it is cooked, let it become cool. Okay, once it is cooled down, you have to tie the top of the vessel using a cotton cloth. Okay, and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours and then eat it. Okay, exercise the most important thing. Walk for 1 hour minimum a day. Okay, and increase your walking time slowly day by day. Okay, walking is essential. Okay, next, what foods to avoid? Milk and all dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oils, refined sugar, refined jaggery. You can have palm jaggery if you want. Palm jaggery, honey or dates is fine. And in the concoction also, if you cannot take it raw, you can add some palm jaggery to have a taste. Okay. Wheat powder and refined wheat powder, tea, coffee, all bakery products, all polished millets or refined millets. Okay. Non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, all ready-to-eat foods. Okay. Now we are going to look at how to make concoction using rosella leaves. Okay. First we need to boil the water. Okay. With on a low flame. Okay. Once the water gets boiled, okay, a little bit, you can add rosella leaves. Okay, 4 to 5 of this size, and then you have to close the lid. Immediately you have to close the lid. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, on a low flame. Okay, so it got boiled. Now you have to keep it aside for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, then you have to filter it. Now you can see it got filtered using that filter. Okay, and that is remaining waste, and this is the water. Okay, this you have to drink sip by sip using a spoon.